Hello, now I'm going to show you how to build any WordPress website with pre-made demo import in less than 5 minutes, from start to finish. If you're just starting out with WordPress, I will explain very easily how to go from having nothing to looking at your own professional-looking website. Or if you're already familiar with WordPress but have not used this theme, we will explore a huge collection of pre-made websites and how to import them. In order to have your own professional site, as I showed before, you need to have a couple of things. First, you need hosting where your website is located. Then, you need plugins and themes that you're going to install and use on your website. You can get these at mmlearn.com. This website has thousands of WordPress plugins and themes. Use the search function to find any plugin. In our case, we're going to download the btheme theme. If you need hosting, just head over to the hosting section. There are complete packages available, including plugins, themes, and hosting. If you only need a plugin or theme, you can just get the plugin and theme files. Let's say you got hosting from mmlearn.com or some other website. You should have received links to log into your cPanel. What is cPanel? In short, cPanel is an interface like Windows, for example, where everything is based on directories rather than having to run a server with thousands of codes. Most shared hosting providers offer cPanel. Quality cPanel is enough for you to handle thousands of visitors a day, so it will be more than enough to start. DPS are usually faster, but keep in mind they don't have cPanel. Everything is a blank slate, so you have to do it yourself. Some notes: the file manager is where you upload, delete, and organize your internal files. MySQL databases are for installing projects other than WordPress. The multi-PHP INI editor addresses a common issue for WordPress and hosting beginners. In WordPress, you may encounter an error stating the file size is too large even though it's only around 3 megabytes. Here, you can increase the maximum upload file size, as I did, to 20 or more. From my experience, sometimes even after increasing the size, WordPress crashes immediately after uploading a plugin. In such cases, adjusting other options resolve the issue. While WordPress may indicate a max upload size error, it might not specify when it crashes the entire WordPress. Thus, be sure to check and set all values accordingly. Let's move to the magic part, WordPress. Click on it, and it will take you to the Softaculous WordPress installer. Here, you can install WordPress and manage your WordPress installations. Press Install. Now, you're in the WordPress installation window. The first row is to choose the installation URL. Select the domain if you have more than one added domain. By default, WP is selected in the directory, meaning WordPress will install, and your website will load from your website.com/WP. In most cases, you want your website to open just by entering the domain name, so delete and leave it blank. However, if you want to install multiple different WordPress sites for testing or other reasons, you can create hundreds or thousands of subdirectories under the domain name. Other options are quite straightforward, like admin username, creating a password, and your email. Fill in the site name and description, then press Install. After installation, you will get your WordPress website link and administrative URL, which is always your domain/wp-admin/ unless you change it. This is where you access your WordPress. Websites section, where you'll find a plethora of options catering to any niche you desire. With just a few clicks, you can have access to everything you see. From e-commerce to education, science to finance, and fashion websites, there's something for everyone. Let's explore and import a pre-made website right now. Simply select the theme, click through a couple of steps, tick 2 checkboxes, hit delete, and voila! Wait a minute, and there you have it, your website is ready. You can explore different layouts, visit product pages, select colors, leave star ratings, and browse through various categories, all the essentials for a professional e-commerce store. Just personalize it by adding your own images, changing the logo and texts, and you're good to go. Feel free to switch to another theme and install it whenever you like. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more fantastic quick tutorials. Check the bio down the video with the link to tutorial with images.